Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF into a Word document. So let's start. First open the PDF, which is usually situated on your files in the internal storage, in a folder named Documents. Now to convert this PDF, tap on three dots on top right corner and tap on Open With and select Word. Now tap on the edit icon at the top of the screen and it will convert your PDF to a Word document. Now to save it, tap on the downward arrow icon on top right corner and tap Save a Copy. Now tap on this device and select the Documents folder and save. And your PDF file is now saved as a Word document in that folder. And you can also edit it right now. Now close the app, go to My Files, and in the Documents folder you will find that Word document. And that's how you can convert a PDF file into a Word document. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.